I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best tandoori chicken wings. Hey salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making tandoori chicken wings. I'm gonna serve this tandoori chicken with chips and mint chili sauce. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with our tandoori masala. I'm gonna show you an easy way of making it which doesn't require tons of ingredients. With the kashmiri and normal red chili, cumin powder, coriander powder as well. It's always best to toast and ground these spices. Some of this grounded black pepper, and here's the garam masala. It has everything like cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon, etc. For more flavor, we're gonna use some garlic and onion powder, and the two ingredients that are super essential to tandoori masala is the mango powder and the lemongrass powder. Now if you don't have lemongrass, go and buy some. I'm only joking. You could use lemon powder or lemon pepper seasoning instead. Now you don't need to add the salt right now, we can add the salt later in the marinade. For the chicken I'm using wings, both the drummet and vinaigrette. You need to make sure the wings are completely dried out. We don't want any excess moisture in the marinade later. With the finely grated zest of lemon and also in with the juice of fresh lemon, don't use any store-bought one. Some of this freshly grounded black pepper and in with a good touch of salt. You want to give this a really good mix and set aside for at least an hour. Let the chicken really absorb some of the salt and the lemon. And now to make the marinade in with the natural yogurt, don't use any Greek yogurt for this. In with our tandoori masala, in with the red food color, and now we can throw in our salt. And finally in with the oil, you could use sunflower or olive. Now you want to give that a really good mix until everything is emulsified. Now have a little taste. That is so delicious. Our mouth-watering tandoori marinade done. So it's been around an hour. Let's grab our chicken. Make sure to get rid of the excess moisture before marinating. And now I'm going to add half of the marinade into there, and I'm going to save some for later use. Now I'm going to give this a really good mix. Bismillah. Oh, trust me, that looks so good. One of the best tandoori chicken that you will ever try. Now I'm going to leave the wings to marinate for another hour or so. These are going to be so delicious. Alright, first I'm going to grill the wings from both sides for a few minutes. You want to spray with a good touch of oil so nothing will stick to the pan. The heat is on medium. Or when the pan is nice and hot, we're going to start adding our wings. Bismillah. Make sure not to overcoat, and like I said, just grill it for a few minutes on each side. We just want to get a nice color on them. Alright, let's turn these. The color looks absolutely amazing. Alright, once you have a really nice color on them, I'm going to start removing them. A light touch of oil again. And we're going to grill the next batch of our wings. Now let's turn these. And now you want to remove the wings back into the bowl. Add some of the leftover marinade as well. And now we're going to give that a really good mix again. Those looks absolutely delicious. I wish I can just dig in, but we have to wait. Now grab your baking tray and we're going to start removing the wings onto there. Now lightly season with a touch of salt and pepper. And a little bit more oil onto there. And now these goes into a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for around 25 minutes. But bear in mind these could take longer, so we're looking for an internal temperature of 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. And like I said, these are one of the best tandoori chicken wings that you will ever try. Now to cook our chips, first of all you want to thinly slice the onions. Green peppers. Red chili. And some of these spring onions. Now to cook the chips, turn the heater on medium. Here with the butter and a light touch of oil. When nice and hot, throw in your onions, your green peppers, red chili, and spring onion whites. We're gonna lightly saute these for a few minutes. A light pinch of salt. Now you want to throw in some of the marinade, give that a mix and cook the rawness of the marinade for a few minutes. Trust me, it smells so good. Alright, perfect time to throw our chips. Season with a good touch of tandoori masala, good pinch of salt, and finally some of this MSG. Now give that a really good mix and let it cook for another minute. Alright, turn off the heat and now we're gonna garnish it with some of these spring onion greens. Have a mouth-watering tandoori glazed chips. Done. They look amazing. You know what? I'm gonna have a little taste. Wow, these are so delicious. For our green chili and mint sauce, grab a blender in with a handful fresh mint leaves, 3 green bullet chilies, and some water so we can blend this. Cover and blend until the mixture is nice and smooth. Now grab another bowl and throw in the yogurt with your fresh mint and the chilies, some of the leftover tandoori marinade, and some of this tandoori masala. Salt to taste, and you want to give this a really good mix. Now totally optional, if you want you can mix in some of the food color just to brighten it up a bit. Have a little taste, and just any seasoning if you need to. Our mouth-watering mint chili sauce. Done. Alright guys, our mouth-watering tandoori chicken wings are done. They look so irresistible, trust me. Alright guys, let's plate this open with your wings, serving it with our tandoori glazed chips and some of our mint coriander sauce. Now if you want you can also serve this with some of the potato mash and some of the green peas. Our mouth-watering tandoori chicken wings. Done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this, it looks amazing. Let's try with tandoori glazed chips first. Bismillah. Wow, these are so delicious. Those amazing onions, peppers along with that glaze. You guys gonna absolutely love this. Alright, let's try our amazing tandoori chicken wings. Look at that. Bismillah. Wow, these are 10 out of 10. The tandoori marinade is really good. And if you look closely, the wings are cooked to perfection. Always a clean bite. Wow, there's so much flavor in these. Now let's try with some of the sauce. Wow, the sauce has a bit of kick to it and it's so fresh. One of the best tandoori chicken that you will ever try. I really hope you guys gonna enjoy that. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.